Ding, ding, ding. And because you're in the trade, because we get in that trade, because that's the trade that makes sense. Now, listen, this is only for scalping, but if you get in this trade that makes sense and it pops up, now here you're like, coach, I never really made it. It doesn't always have to make it to the bottom, right? Sometimes it won't make it. It'll be off. I tell you guys by a couple cents. This is a double bottom, even though it didn't get to the penny. It's off by 15 cents or whatever. So the idea is it comes down, pops up, it goes up, pulls back. It goes up, it pulls back. Now, the beauty is if you're in the trade, zing, all you got to be is in that right place at the right time. If it goes against you, let me show you. If it goes against you, you're like, oh, it comes up, it comes up. You would not have touched this one yet because it did break through right here. So you'd be extra cautious. But let's say right here, you're like, coach said buy puts. Okay. Don't I also say put your stop right here? So you're risking what? 3% maybe. And then it pulled, boom, and you go the other side. Why? Because you knew it was going to go down there. All it did, though, was faked you with that little bit of candles through here, right? Same thing. You're like, coach said, buy puts right here. That's right. With a stop right here. Yes. It breaks through. It fakes you out with these little candles. What do you think's going to happen when it comes back down, guys? Where do you think it could possibly go? It ain't going back up. Does that make sense, everybody?